Hey guys, so just finished putting on the half doors. So it's getting finally warm here. So I like to run the half doors in the summertime. My Jeep doesn't have AC, so the extra airflow definitely helps a lot. And it kind of gives it just a different look. But yeah, so take a peek at them. So as you can see, the actual color is from the 97 like gray interior color. So I still have to paint those, and I'm not sure what I want to do. I'll probably leave a poll in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you guys can vote for what you guys think of best. Either I want to do bed liner to kind of match the doors here, or they sell like a I forget, it's not a dye, but it's like a plastic interior restoration paint, and I can get the exact same color as this interior. And I think that the can's like, I want to say it's either 25 bucks or 40 bucks or something like that. So a little bit more expensive than bed liner, but let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I like the look of the half doors. Definitely different, gives the Jeep a different feel. Yeah, so that's what the inside of the door looks like. But anyway, so I had originally wanted to paint the doors red. I got some quotes for some painting, and it was really expensive, so I decided to bed line it. I think maybe someday I'll either paint it myself or have them painted. The black does look cool. It's kind of a different look, but I think red would look really nice. So maybe. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.